By following these steps, you should be able to design and save your letterhead. 1. Sign up or log into tool44.com. 2. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Marketing tab from the list of options in the left side menu. 3. Inside the Marketing tab, you will find an option called Letterhead. Click on it to proceed. 4. On the Letterhead page, you will see a button labeled Add Letterhead in the top right corner. Click on this button to create a new letterhead. 5. A form will appear where you can enter the name of your letterhead and the content you want to include. Ensure that the content covers all the necessary data, alignment, spacing, images, fonts, and any other elements you require for your letterhead. 6. Once you have entered the letterhead name and content, click the Submit button to save your letterhead. 7. After submission, you will see your newly created letterhead added to the list of all letterheads. 8. To make changes to your letterhead, click on the Edit icon, usually represented by a pencil or similar symbol, next to your letterhead in the list. This will allow you to modify the name and content of your letterhead. 9. If you wish to delete a letterhead, click on the Delete icon, often represented by a trash bin or similar symbol, next to the respective letterhead in the list. 10. To view and download your letterhead, click on the File icon, usually represented by a document or paper symbol, next to your letterhead in the list. This will display your letterhead, and you can click on the Download button located in the top right corner of the page to save it in PDF format. Please note that in order to download a good letterhead, it's important to ensure that you have previously added your company details.